This root is always mentioned on our channel, and every once in a while it shows up in one of our recipes. Ginger really is one of the most versatile spices in the world, isn't it? Rich in many nutrients, it has been used for thousands of years to cure different malaises thanks to its therapeutic properties. Isn't it amazing? We have a video about the benefits of ginger for men and women. If you want to learn more, click on the suggested video. But today, we will learn some ways of losing weight with ginger. The first step for anyone who wants to lose weight is to change their lifestyle. Improve your eating habits and keep a healthier and more active lifestyle to see the results on your scale. Did you know that vitamins and nutrients are essential for losing weight? Ginger is a natural and healthy food with many uses that allows us to absorb its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, and cardiotonic properties. Additionally, it is also great for women's health. It helps warm cold feet, increases libido during menopause, prevents nausea during pregnancy, and many other things. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Besides giving energy and being a mood booster, it stimulates the immune system, detoxifies, treats anemia and constipation, and prevents some types of cancer. See 3 ways of losing weight with ginger. Drink warm water with ginger and lemon in the morning. Ginger water must be done as a tea. Follow the proportions of 0.8 inches of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder for every 34 ounces of water. Combine the ingredients in a pot and let it boil for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat, close the pot, wait until it gets lukewarm, then strain and drink. If you want to add lemon to the mixture, add the juice of 1 lemon, freshly squeezed, to the ginger water just before drinking. If you want to lose weight, it is essential to follow a low-fat and low-sugar diet and practice physical activities regularly. Green tea and ginger. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that avoid the buildup of fat, reduce cholesterol, and improve digestion. Combining it with ginger is a good way of taking care of your health and improving your physical form. To make this tea, you will need 1 cup of green tea leaves and 0.8 inches of fresh ginger or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder for every 34 ounces of water. Boil the water with the ginger. Once it boils, turn off the heat and add the green tea leaves. Close and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Drink 8.45 ounces of the tea 20 minutes before or after your meals. It is better to not drink this tea after 6 p.m. because of its stimulating properties. The best times for it are before and after breakfast and lunch. Ginger lemonade. This classic beverage helps burn fat, improve digestion, and avoids inflammation and water retention. Squeeze 2 lemons and boil the juice with some chopped ginger. Once it starts boiling, turn the heat to low and add a quart of water and 2 pieces of lemon peel. Keep in the fridge and drink throughout the day. What do you think of these recipes? Try them and share your opinions with us. Attention! When consumed in excess, ginger reduces blood viscosity. Its consumption by people who take blood thinners must be oriented by a nutritionist to avoid the risk of hemorrhage. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.